In this video, I want to show you how to reset your Kwikset 907 to factory settings. Okay, so you want to do this if your lock is not working properly, or you want to remove all the existing codes and set new ones. Okay, so to reset this lock, you want to go to the interior assembly. Okay, next you want to take off the battery cover. This is the cover right here. Slide the cover up and remove it. Okay, the next step is to get a pin. You want to get a pin or a pen. Okay, so there's a pin hole right here, and this is the reset hole. Okay, so you want to get this inside and press and hold it. Okay, so press and hold it, keep holding. Okay, once you hear those 3 short beeps, the reset is complete. Okay, so what you want to do next is to run the door handling detection. Whenever you reset this lock, the first thing you want to do is to perform the door handling detection. This is going to teach the lock the orientation of your door, as your lock needs to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. Okay, so make sure you don't skip this step, because your lock might not work properly if you don't run the door handling. Okay, so to run the door handling, the first step is to enter the default master code. Hit the lock button. Okay, press 0 and hit the lock button. Okay, that's it. You can see the movement of the bolt. The bolt has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. Okay, so the door handling process is complete. And what you want to do next is to change the default master code. This code can be used to program your lock, so you want to change it. Okay, so to change this code, the first step is to enter the code, hit the lock button. Okay, now you want to press 7 and hit the lock button. Now enter your new master code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is going to be 557799. Hit this button. Okay, you're going to hear 2 beeps and see 2 green flashes here, meaning your new master code is now active, and that's what you're going to use for other programming. Okay, so next you want to remove the default user code. This code can be used to unlock your door, so let's test it. Hit this button to lock. Okay, and to unlock, let's enter the default user code, 1234. Hit this button. Okay, so you can see this code can unlock your door, so you need to remove it. To remove this code, the first step is to enter your master code. Hit this button. Okay, and now you want to press 3 and hit this button. Now enter the code you want to remove. Okay, so 1234. Hit this button. Okay, that's it. The code has been removed. Okay, so that's how to remove an existing user code on this lock. Okay, so now you can add user codes, and this lock allows you to add up to 6 user codes. Okay, and you can use them to unlock your door from the outside. Okay, so to add the code, the first step is to enter your master code. Hit this button, and now press 1 and hit this button. Okay, enter your new user code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is gonna be 3311. Hit this button. Okay, that's it. 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning the code has been added. Okay, so let's test it. Hit this button to lock. Okay, and to unlock, let's try the new code. Hit this button. Okay, so that's it. You can repeat the steps to add more user codes, up to 6 user codes. Okay, so that's how to reset this lock and reprogram it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.